Hi guys. So in this video we will see the Mustarde lid switch flap for near total upper lid reconstruction. So we have this malignancy of the right upper lid and you can see that the mobility is compromised. I mean the upward gaze is limited. So till we do the wide local excision, let us discuss the options we have for near total upper lid reconstruction. Now, conventionally, we have two options. One is the Cutler beard flap, and the second one is the Mustarde's lid switch flap. We already have a video of the Cutler beard, and this is showing the Mustarde's lid switch flap. Now, the difference between the two is that in the Cutler beard flap, the tarsal plate or the tarsus of the lower lid is in situ. We don't harvest that in the flap, whereas in Mustardes it is taken along with the flap. So these are two basic differences. Apart from that, the Mustarde is medially based in this case because the defect is more lateral. It can also be laterally based movement of the upper lid in the post-operative course. So once the upper lid is sutured, then this is the entire suturing done. And in this image, the red arrow points the image before division of the flap at 3 weeks, and post-op you can see good images with eye opening and eye closure. So these are good results by a Mustarde lid switch flap. Thank you.